Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. AMD, nice trade yesterday, in and out. Google was a double, going down. Does it go up? Don't know. We got jobs. They're looking for 190. Sam thinks 178. Sam thinks 178. Now we have the auto workers coming back. We have holiday hiring, so it may be higher. But I think we're going to go low on that, on the job. Microsoft hasn't given you a number. If something is great, you're supposed to give the number. They haven't given the number. How good is Google? Don't know. Trying for higher, but it's slowed down. AMD, where can it go? It can go higher here. Here's the thing with AMD, people are saying, if NVIDIA is this great, and NVIDIA is great, and NVIDIA goes from 100 to 500, can AMD not go to 200? Possible. Anything's possible. Now, we told you, we never said AMD was bad. We said AMD is not NVIDIA. They're not NVIDIA. And they're going to get zero NVIDIA customers. But they can get customers that are starting up or doing something new or want to do all that stuff. Very simple, okay? So that's very, very possible to do, okay? So that's what we know, that's what we know, that's what we know. All about jobs today, okay? UPSC held, so that's sitting fine. Excuse me. What's that called? I'm walking around here trying to get you some remembering. Uber is moving. They get added next week, not this week. So it's back. We got out of this week at a double. Next week we got the 63s, and in theory, once again, theory says it should hit 64 and then possibly 66. Okay, so that's very interesting. Trying to just teach you a few things till we get to the jobs number, because everything's going to change. Here's the thing. The whole world, and I've been looking at this Google thing last night and everything else, and certain things are just going to change, and the jobs are going to go away. And those people, if you don't believe your job is going to go away, you got a problem. DocuSign. Let me tell you, do you really not think AI, you go tell AI to mimic DocuSign, and they're going to go create DocuSign as DocuSign, and that company goes away. I'm telling you. There's going to be 1 million companies. All this software is going to be written exactly the same. So you have to understand that. And if you understand that, you have an opportunity to do good. If you're just like, oh my God, I own it, it's a great company. Well, DocuSign is not a great company, because Adobe does the same thing. And all these copycats doing the same thing. Now, let's say you're going to get a document signed, okay? Say you just, whatever. How much you paying for that? What are they charging? You know, $1 a page? $5 a page? $500 a page? This is a nothing business, okay? So just understand that. And then they bought a company that was even worse, so they've gone way down. Okay, AMD's moving again. Interesting. Lilly can't get out of its own way. No reason to sniff it. It's off on the second screen now till it hits 603. Okay, Tesla tried to go 3 times, and I forget who was on. Somebody was on this morning, smashing it, saying this one thing that Sam said. He goes, if you can do self-drive, it adds 10,000 per car. But there's nothing that says that they can do that for at least 5 more years. See, that's what I said. Because Sam's just smarter, and he said that 10 years ago, is people think they're just going to allow stuff. The government doesn't do that. I mean, they just shut you down, and they don't do that. So don't get in over your head thinking this is going to happen, this is going to happen. I mean, Tesla, maybe it goes, maybe it doesn't, but he railroaded all these people into thinking, oh, buy a car 4 years ago, your car will be making $10,000, a month. No, doesn't happen that way. Doesn't happen that way. Okay? I mean, world doesn't move that fast. Maybe by 2050, but not that fast. SMCI can't get out of its own way. It's under the offering price. That doesn't happen much, but it is. BKNG travel, look at it. Finally broke up, looking to go. Alta trying for 509 still. Boeing, bad news, they're delaying stuff for just 2 months and then back. Here we go, jobs. Okay, what do we got? Oh, way down. So 9,000 better than expected. But, they're taking the market down. But it's not bad because we got to see what seasonal is. But they're going to take it down. We popped yesterday. Now they're going to take it down today. Look at Google dropped too. Everything's dropping. Avago. We talked about Avago. The problem with Avago is they bought a company and it's a creative, but that creative portion of it, they were expecting more. Not so good, right? That being said, the PE is so low, it should do okay over time. LRCX got a downgrade. People don't understand. Okay, they don't understand. But that's okay. That's okay. I mean, I thought the jobs would be a little bit lower, but it's 199. It's 9,000 higher, and they're going to crater the market. Isn't that interesting? I don't know. It probably comes back. I would think it probably comes back. I don't know if it gets to 4,600. They're sure not going to 4,500. Okay? And that's what we know. So kind of a chill thing. Got to wait till CPI, and then the Fed. Fed's not going to do nothing. I mean, absolutely positive they're not going to do nothing. Can I be wrong? Yeah, absolutely. But no reason to. Okay? So that's what we know. Okay. What else? What did rates do? Did it just show? Did rates go up? Rates go down? Did nothing? SPX. SPX going to work lower. Let it work lower, and then we'll get back in. Okay? That's what we know. So, but kind of a chill day now. I mean, everything. We had the move yesterday. Nothing happening today. Okay. Let's get started. SPX down 22. You had 45.65, 45.52. If we crater, 45.31 way down there, and 4,600 up. Do we get there? Don't know. Then we see. Okay. Avago probably can get back to 891 and needs to get through 921. Now, Hak Tan, the CEO, he told you the deal will get down. He lied by 6 months. The deal is hugely accretive. It's really, really great for us. Doesn't guide up. Okay? This is like AI, the stock AI. The guy said it's so good, the best ever, and he guides down. Think about that. Think about an NFL team. This is the best team we've ever had, Yankees. This is the best team we ever had. Lose 17 or 20. It's not. They make shit up. Okay? Truth is what's happening. When AI guides down in the greatest AI thing, in the greatest business there is, that means things aren't so good. Spotify. Everybody loves Spotify. Oh, this is great. It's going to go. Pandora, Spotify, all these radio things. Oh my God, this is so great. People buy it when they're laying off people. Why are they laying off? I can understand laying off certain departments, but they're laying off so many people. It means their business is not so good. Okay, so just understand that. NVIDIA, 461, 484. I'm going to tell you right now, if and when it breaks 484, it rockets. If it breaks 449, it craters. Pretty simple. Adobe, 609, 616, probably heads lower now today. Lam Research, way lower. See if it can go positive on the downgrade. Lilly, 603, off screen till 603. Google, 138, 141. Snowman, 191, 193. Doesn't even move anymore. I mean, you got to just stop playing, and we're going to do some of this stuff into the end of the year. If things aren't moving, I mean, snow is going between what, 184 and 190, 6-point range. Unplayable. Now, you can go buy something and sell it for 20 cents. Hard trade. AMD, 131, 136. MicroStrategy. Bitcoin didn't move right all week. Bitcoin moved, MicroStrategy didn't. Bitcoin moved, coin up and down in a range. Okay? So just wait for the range to break. 600 and on coin, 150. Boeing, a little bit better. 238, 241. UPSD, 36. Big number. We're next week, so it's sitting nice. Alta, 501, 509. SPX came all the way back. I told you, the number's not bad. I mean, if you missed by 9, but you got seasonal workers. I mean, people are generically just not incredibly intelligent. Okay? BKNG, there's an hit high of year, 3252. SMCI, wait for 272. Microsoft, 136 down, 176 up. NOW can't seem to get through 700. CRM, down 13 this week. So just chill and wait. But we know what CRM does. Last quarter, it hit 220, 230, and then it went down 15. It stayed there for 3 months. Tesla can't get through 246. So kind of a chill day. And then we see. AMD may rock all the way to 136. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat. Hold on a second. That's what we got. That's what we know. Thanks, everyone.